Hey guys, it's Mr. Moberg. I'm going to walk you through some notes on how to understand the seasons. Please make sure you have a place to record these, and if at any point I talk too fast, feel free to pause the stream. Let's start off with the sun. The sun is the center of our solar system. Our Earth revolves around the sun. Let's draw 4 different positions of the Earth, which represent each season. The Earth revolves around the sun in a counterclockwise motion every 365.25 days. Let's draw the axis in all 4 positions for the Earth and divide the Earth into 2 hemispheres. Let's start with the position on the left. The sun is hitting the northern hemisphere with a great intensity. This makes the northern hemisphere in the season of summer. It kind of looks like the northern hemisphere is reaching towards the sun. The opposite season in the southern hemisphere is winter because that is angled away from the sun. This is called a solstice. Solstice means sun stands still, and it is literally the shortest and or longest day of the year. From this position, the Earth is going to continue to revolve in a counterclockwise motion. The next season is fall, and the opposite in the southern hemisphere is spring. In this position, the Earth is not tilted toward nor away from the sun. This is called an equinox, meaning equal day and equal night. This equinox happens in the month of September. During this time, the equator receives the most direct light, and as you work your way towards the poles, the intensity gets less and less. The Earth continues to revolve, and now the northern hemisphere is angled away from the sun, meaning it receives a very low light intensity. This season is winter, while the southern hemisphere is receiving direct sunlight, making it summer, the opposite season. This is called a solstice, and again, that means sun stands still. In the southern hemisphere, this is the longest day of the year, and in the winter, this is the shortest day of the year. This happens in December. The Earth now continues to revolve into this last position of spring. And the opposite happens in the southern hemisphere. It's called fall. This is another equinox because the light from the sun hits the equator most directly at the equator. This is another time where we have equal day and equal night, 12 hours of sunshine and 12 hours of darkness. This happens in March. A couple things to point out here. Notice the equinoxes are always in opposite positions in the Earth's revolution. The same is true for solstice. Another thing to point out, the Earth's axis is tilted in the exact same position as the Earth revolves around the sun. That's it. I hope that made sense, and I hope that helped. If you need to pause the screen right now to record any last notes you missed, feel free. And also, please make sure to ask your teacher or others if you have any questions at all. Thanks a lot for watching.